Right, gather around. Let's talk about the Honda Chaly C50. And before anyone says anything, yes, it's small and us old boys ride them. Yes, your legs will look ridiculous on it. Nobody cares. Sit down. Honda dropped the Chaly in 1972 and basically invented the concept of a motorcycle that makes everyone happy. It's got that low slung step through frame, and it looks like it was designed by someone who genuinely loved motorcycles but also had a strict size limit. Compact doesn't cover it. This thing makes a mini look spacious. And yet, the Chaly became a legitimate cult classic across Japan, Southeast Asia, New Zealand, and Europe because it's brilliant. 49C of pure, unhurried joy. Will it win a drag race? Mate, it won't even win an argument with a slight headwind, but it'll put a grin on your face that you genuinely cannot explain to your wife. Now, the workshop. This is where it gets interesting. The Chaly looks simple. It is simple, right up until the moment you decide to actually work on it. And suddenly, nothing is where you thought it was, and you've got 3 bolts left over, and you're not sure from where that carburetor is going to need cleaning. They always need cleaning, and it will take you 4 times longer than it should because your hands are apparently too large for Japanese engineering tolerances. The wiring looks simple until you're 40 minutes in and holding 2 wires that are definitely the same color but absolutely should not be connected together. Ask me how I know. And parts. Oh, parts. You'll find yourself down a rabbit hole at 11 p.m. on a Tuesday, 3 browser tabs deep, haggling with a bloke in the Netherlands over a genuine OEM fuel tap. This is your life now. Embrace it. You know you're a Chaly owner when the bike has been almost finished for 6 months. When you've told someone it's a quick restoration and you said it with a straight face. When you've got a spare engine in a box, just in case, and your missus has stopped asking questions. Look, the Chaly C50 is a legend and you already know it. It just needs someone who actually knows what they're doing to get it back out on the road where it belongs. Do yourself a favor, get over to my50.com, grab the free manual, and walk back into that garage like you've got a plan. Because winging it stopped being funny 2 weekends ago. Small bike, big chaos. Download the manual.